Today I'm going to transform these tortellini from this to this. Crispy and air fried, making it out of this world snackable food dipped in the spicy arrabbiata sauce. I'll start by bringing some water to a boil and pouring it over a pound of frozen tortellini, letting it sit until it softens a bit. Dry the pasta, making sure it's sticky, and then coat it in eggs and toss it in some seasoned Italian breadcrumbs. I'll load up an air fry tray with these shells until it's full, and then air fry the pasta at 400 degrees for 20 minutes until golden brown and crispy.